Start in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, both bots spinning up to speed. Shadow that full body, Grim Reaper with that horizontal spinner. Shadow doing some ricocheting around the arena. Grim Reaper wants to pick its moment to attack. Both bots hesitating in the middle there. Shadow giving chase to Grim Reaper into the corner. Little bit of contact there. Shadow giving some taps over to Grim Reaper. Grim Reaper being very cautious. Maybe hoping that Shadow spins itself out against the wall. Oh, Grim Reaper. Oh, big hit there, but it launches Grim Reaper's weapon off the top. Grim Reaper has stopped moving. Nope, Grim Reaper comes back to life. Gonna have to have a different strategy now. Oh, good hit there. Shadow showing some pretty solid durability right now for a full body spinner, but ricocheting off the walls. Grim Reaper's going to need to try and control the arena now that its weapon has been disabled. Under a minute left to fight. Grim Reaper keeping that armor pointed towards its opponent. Wants Shadow to only hit on that armored wedge side. Both bots trying to control the center here. Shadow gets a good bounce. Throws itself into Grim Reaper. Oh, Shadow gets a good hit on the side of Grim Reaper, but not a lot of damage. These bots continuing to be cautious in their approaches, trying to control the center. Shadow getting some really good ricochets off these wall bounces. 5 seconds remaining in the fight. This one's going to go to the judges. That's time. Time in the round. Three, two, one, go! Both bots spin up. Oh, big first hit. Pablo wants to stay on Shadow, prevent it from getting fully spun up if possible. Shadow needs some space to get that momentum. You can see how fast that gets going. Oh, big hit there, sends both bots flying. Shadow inverted in the process. Shadow using the ricochet off the walls, try and hit the sides of Pablo. Something went flying. Pablo gets re-inverted off the wall. Somebody lost something. His pieces go flying. Bots are ricocheting off of each other. It looks like Pablo may have lost its weapon in a previous exchange. Now trying to use the momentum of Shadow against it. Shoving Shadow the Roomba into the walls. Shadow trying to line up a big hit here. Pablo doing a good job of keeping its armor pointed towards its opponent. $40 seconds remaining in the fight. Pablo giving chase. Shadow spinning up to speed. Does not look as stable as when this fight started. Just over 20 seconds left in the fight, trying to show off some control and aggression. Pablo giving chase across the arena towards Shadow. 10 seconds left in the fight. This one will go to the judges. Last impressions here at the end. And that is time. Time in the round. In 3, 2, 1, go! All right, both bots spinning up to speed, making their way towards each other. And we're bouncing. Oh, ricochet there, bounces them into each other. Both these bots are hard to control once they get going. I hear Beyblades is making a comeback. Both these bots up to speed. Some glancing blows here. This is going to be a test of endurance. Some more glancing blows off the ricochets. Just over a minute remaining in the fight. Both these bots spun back up. Oh, another good hit there. Sends both bots sailing. All right, another good hit there as they fight it out in the far corner. Shadow going in for a hit. Another solid hit there, just under 30 seconds remaining in the fight. Shadow giving chase to Some more glancing blows as we approach the end of the match. I don't know how a match like this gets judged. And that is time! Three, two, one, go! Oh, both these bots spinning up to speed. Hydra Mini immediately running in. Wants to knock Shadow the Roomba off its game if possible. Looks like Hydra Mini might be having some traction issues. Shadow trying to take advantage. Ooh, big hit, sends Hydra flying. All right, both these bots resetting back out to center. Oh, good hit there. Both these bots trying to line up those solid hits. Neither of these bots want to control. They want to deal damage. Shadow doing a good job of staying aggressive despite its full body attack. Gets a good ricochet there that bops Hydra Mini. Hydra Mini trying to line up its next attack. Shadow using the walls to its advantage. Oh, good hit there. Sends Hydra back into the wall once again. Shadow being remarkably stable. Both these spots fighting out on the far side. 25 seconds remaining in the fight. They go in for another hit. Oh, the ricochet there absorbs some of the blow. Oh, big pop up there sends Shadow into the corner. Both these spots continue to be dangerous late into the fight. A few moments left. That's time! Time in the round.
Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Shadow speeding up. NLE is going to be cautious trying to approach. Something came off of somebody.
A little bit of a fight in the corner here.
That's one pin. Looks like the Roomba's making it out of the corner. Speeding its weapon back up.
Oh, big hit.
bouncing around. NLE is trying to catch up to it. Cautiously approaching. Getting a couple taps in. Coming up on the end of this match here, last chance to get some final impressions in for the judges. 10 seconds left.
Started in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, after about 5 laps around the arena, Shadow the Roomba has achieved full speed. Still doing some bouncing here though. Pablo's looking for his revenge from the earlier qualification round. You can see these multi-brain robots are not the easiest to pilot. Got a great hit there from Pablo. The last quarter of our match here, we have mostly glancing blows, although Pablo did just manage to get Shadow pinned down in the corner. And uprighted in the corner just in time for the count out. Got 5 seconds on the count out.